You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish, of course. It means beach. So how do you say beach in Spanish? Playa. So it would be Spanish from Spain, also Mexico, playa. Now in some Latin American countries, South American countries like Argentina, they'd say playa, playa. But generally playa, playa. For more Spanish pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. This one is easy, playa. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.